Superman has imprisoned his most formidable enemy, Doomsday, at the end of the time. But now, the murderous Juggernaut has returned to Earth, more powerful than ever, unleashing chaos in the world. The Justice League respond to it. They get a distress call and quickly arrive at the destruction site. Wonder Woman, Huntress, Orion, Plastic Man, Martian Manhunter, Flash, and Green Lantern. They all came here looking for clues. Who did this? So Flash runs across the street, watching the destructions. But suddenly he feels a massive shockwave under his feet. He lost his control and fall into the ground. So he decides to contact Martian Manhunter about the chaos by telepathically. But before he does that, he hears a scream and sees the main culprit who did all this. And several minutes later, the entire Justice League is taken out by that unknown monster. Only Orion remains. So to end this fight, Orion rushes and fires a blast from his astro harness. But it makes no impact on the monster and Orion gets smashed into the rocks. Soon the Leaguers come to their sense. The monster got them when they were busy protecting the civilians, and then they see Orion gets thrown into the sky. So Plastic Man expands himself and catches him quickly. But seeing this, John flies alone to take out the monster. On the other side, Diana keeps trying to contact Superman, but he is not responding, as currently Clark is in a hospital as his childhood best friend Lana Lane is admitted in there due to an accident. But while talking, Superman's JLA beepers goes off, alerting him about the unknown danger. So he proceeds to help his friends from the threat. But Lana stops him as her baby is going to die if Clark doesn't help her. She was in an accident and her baby was born prematurely with several injuries. Lana begins to cry as in this hospital they doesn't have the facility to keep her baby alive until morning. She tells Clark from day one he shared his secrets with her. She has kept it even from her husband, and in all that time she never asks Superman for any kind of help. But today she really wants his help, and Lana begs Clark to save her child's life, find the best hospital and take him there. But Clark is also concerned about the Justice League as he fears they might be in great danger. But Lana questions Clark, where is the justice? If an innocent baby loses his life, the Leaguers can take care of themselves. Her son needs Superman. And then she asks him, does Clark really wants the death of an innocent child in his conscience? So Clark thinks Lana is right. The Leaguers can take care of themselves. He has dedicated himself to the justice and the protector of life, especially innocent life. So he assures his best friend not to worry, he will save her son. This is a job for Superman. But unknown to Clark, that monster the Justice League is up against is Superman's arch nemesis, Doomsday. Diana has had enough. She charges towards the monster to take him out. She believes she is strong enough to kill Doomsday, but she quickly realized she was wrong. Wonder Woman is no match against Doomsday. Plastic Man cracks a joke and approaches Doomsday to tie him up with his elastic body, but he did a great mistake as Doomsday quickly grabs his face and forcefully tears him apart into two pieces. Diana again jumps on him, tries to hold the monster with her lasso of truth, but surprisingly, Doomsday grabs the rope and smashes Diana in the face. But she doesn't stop there. She believes she has grown soft by staying in this world, and it is time to unleash her full strength. So without holding back, Diana begins to punch Doomsday, tries every possible ways to take him out, but she fails. Soon, Doomsday defeats all the Justice League members and captures them in his hidden base, and then he proceeds for the main target, his enemy, the Man of Steel, who is flying with Lana's baby to deliver him to a best hospital. But on his way, Doomsday confronts Superman and jumps on him to kill him and the baby also and get his revenge. So which part you like the most? Please share your thoughts on the comment section down below, and please like this video and do subscribe, as this will motivate me to make more contents. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.